Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to come on here. Don't mind the hard breathing. I'm on mile 3. Started early. It is currently January 13th. And just wanted to come on here, let everybody know that I'm going to restart 75 hard. My wife asked me to join her in her 75 hard. So instead of going to phase 1, I'm just going to restart with her. This time I'm going to document everything. Food, workouts, day-to-day, pretty much everything. And then, post them on all my social media. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all of it. If you guys want to follow along, you can follow me. It's _John_V. It's pretty much on all my social media. Also, if you guys want to join, you can start too. We start Monday, the 15th. You don't have to start that same day. It'd be great if you did. That way we can track our journey together. If you're local, you need someone to work out with, hit me up. I don't mind. But yeah, it's gonna be a long journey. It's gonna be a fun one. Stay tuned.